What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ICP Internet Computer, which has taken another pump in the last 24 hours. It is up just over 21% guys, and it's currently valued at $11.11. So we're going to be looking at where this crypto is heading to next. Obviously, with a couple of days toward the end of the year, can it pump in 2024? Is it getting ready for a potential pump next year? Is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it before it crashes back down? So essentially, we're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view and look at its predictions going into 2024, if it is worth investing into it or if it is worth holding on to it as well. And as you guys can see, we are at a very critical place right now where it's at its resistance target. So two things can happen. It can either resist and drop back down into the red zone, or it can break out and head into the green zone, meaning it can head towards $15, but we'll get into that very shortly. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, let's hide this and let's bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we can see that ICP is trading above the SMA indicator, which is the average value, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that the crypto is overvalued, so it may be in for a little bit of a drop in value, but we'll get into that. Let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from ICP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that, but I'm expecting minimal increases in value, potentially heading up to about $12 to $13 is where I would expect ICP to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So in between, do expect red candles where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So heading to around $12 to $13 is where I'm expecting ICP to be going towards to over the next 12 to 14 hours. Going on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last 24 hours. However, that is not always the case. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by the end of next week, which means we will be in 2024 by that time, I'm expecting ICP to have dropped back down in value below $10 guys. Reason I'm saying this is because it has to go through a price correction, especially after the pump that's taken place over the last month. As you guys can see, it's gone up over nearly about 150% in a space of about 3 to 4 weeks guys, which means it's not too much percentage, is overvalued, is in for a little bit of a step back. So dropping down to below $10 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of next week. But again, doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. But let's wait for the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. Now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. The blue line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the positive direction as well. So essentially both the lines are looking quite bullish. So yes, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from ICP over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So February, March 2024, I'm expecting ICP to have gone past the $25 mark guys. So trading, well, $23 to $25, somewhere around that price range is where I would expect it to be trading at. Reason for that is I'm expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction, heading upwards, including Bitcoin heading over $45,000 is what my expectations are, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. So after the price correction that happens, so dropping down to below $10 over the coming week, it should slowly and steadily increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks, heading to over $20, hitting about $23 to $25 in March is what I'm expecting from ICP. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the resistance level here. So over the coming week, I did mention it is likely to drop back down into the red zone, and in about January, late January, it is likely to break out from the resistance target, heading into the blue zone here, heading to around $15 in late January, early February, and then heading to around $20 to $25 by March is what I'm expecting from ICP. But if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by over 80% in the last 24 hours, making it $296 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is, of course, the crypto has pumped, so a lot more people are looking into the project and actually taking action. So there's a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers, and it is one of the top gainers, as you guys can see, or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So of course it is going to get a lot of traction from both buyers and sellers point of view. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ICP, guys. I am expecting it to hit a new all-time high in 2024, depending on how the crypto market performs. But if you guys want regular updates on ICP, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting ICP to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot. That means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.